You want cherry or grape? Grape, please.
How is sharing gelatin with them gonna ruin the party? Somehow? You want cherry or grape? Grape, please. How is sharing gelatin with them gonna ruin the party? Somehow? You want cherry or grape? Grape, please. Nice hat, Isabella.
Looks like the whole town's in a blackout. What you doing, Isabella?
Looks like the whole town's in a blackout. What you doing, Isabella?
They're making something huge and
Guess it's time to wood chipper, guys.
my phone!
Mike, Veruca, Augustus, Violet?
Mr. Wonka, what's gonna happen to them? Mike? Veruca? Augustus? Violet? Lights! Camera! Action! Sweetie, no! Where is he?
He's flying over our heads in a zillion pieces.
Look, everybody! I'm on TV!
Veruca, are you all right?
No! I don't have a golden goose, and now I'm covered with garbage! We're in the furnace! I want you to take me home and buy me my own chocolate factory, Daddy!
Take your army to the haunted forest and bring me that girl, her doll, and especially that cat and mouse. And bring me that girl, her doll, and especially that cat and mouse.
This isn't over. I'll get you, Tom and Jerry, and that little girl, too.
This isn't over! I'll get you, Tom and Jerry, and that little girl, too!
Your Majesty, Daddy? You monster! Don't fool with me, you little brat! Contract or no, I'll blast out! Say goodbye to your sweetheart.
Your Majesty.
Daddy?
At last,
No.
it's mine.
You monster!
Fool like me, you little brat.